Today is a very nice day.
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
Uh,
Now start.
Today is a very nice day. I feel like traveling somewhere,
Mm-hmm.
but I don't like to travel alone.
Mm-hmm.
I like to travel with my friends,
Mm-hmm.
but I don't have any good friends in
Huh.
Bhopal. Nowadays, I am learning English.
Uh-huh.
I speak English with one of my friends.
Huh.
He is not my bosom friend, but he is a good person.
Okay.
He likes to travel with me.
Uh-huh.
He has been preparing for exam for a long time.
Huh.
He has given the exam recently,
Very
uh,
good.
but till now his exam result is not declared.
Mm-hmm.
I know he will pass. His father is a teacher, and his father teaches at government school.
Good.
My friend is very smart, but he
Huh.
does not do the party.
Okay.
He does not like to do the party.
Uh-huh.
Today I am going to meet him.
Mm-hmm.
I called him last night. Today we both are looking good. We live together and we both like to travel. We both go to gym. We both want to become rich. We both making plans since last 2 months. Today we are going to film.
Okay, very nice. Much better.